going on, everybody? Today I'm doing a video on my top Chrome extensions for Amazon on an Arbitrage, wholesale, RA, whatever. What am I using for Chrome extensions instead of the main website? So obviously many of these have an own website to use that you can obviously go in and activate. But as you can see, for example, I've gone onto Waitrose right now, and one of the main ones is Topcashback. The amount of times that I don't go on to Topcashback because I forget my login, or it just doesn't load fast enough and I have to jump up. I just don't, it's not the first thing I think about. Of course, mainly I'm thinking about cashback on the cards, right? That kind of thing, points. But really, I'm leaving a lot of money off the table by not having this, and it automatically pops up. So I don't even really have to do anything. I'm just going onto the website like this. Like imagine I go into Waitrose to buy some stock. Right away, it's going to tell me obviously what is going on with Topcashback and what they are offering. Of course, I'm not a new customer, and there's existing customer home delivery spend, £40 to £99, and then there's over £100. So I would be classified as the existing customer home delivery spend, home £100, £2, 2p. Now, of course, you have to make sure you get paid that, and there's not misuse in terms of, it's normally a fair use policy. So if you seem to be putting too many through, yes, you could be not granted this money, but you get what I'm talking about. It's very easy to do it. You don't have to go into Topcashback and search it in the top bar and then scroll through. It's really literally just pops up. Every time you go onto a website, it just pops up. No work, extra work is required from you. Let's just get rid of some of this crap at the bottom. Right, what is the next one that I use? Let's just keep myself down here. I would always use ad blocker, but just be aware that if you are using ad blocker, the only downside is that if there is a platform that requires you to load certain things, it might not load. So imagine you're on Amazon or you're on something and something is just not coming up like it should, like a pop-up or something like this. It might be that ad blocker is the one that's obviously causing the issue there. So you want to click onto that and you want to go ahead and click always on this website, and it will automatically allow any potential pop-ups to pop up. That could be for anything, right? And that's obviously mainly used for stuff like YouTube and anything where pop-ups are provided to me, where I just don't want to waste my time looking at them. Time optimizing, I would call it. I have a couple of random things in here, like Phantom MetaMask, all to do crypto stuff, so obviously don't worry about that. I have FBA multi-tool in here, but the primary one that I obviously use is BuyBotPro, and it is actually here, it's down here somewhere. Where is BuyBotPro? Yeah, there it is. Access a request to give it. I don't know. It pops up anyway, so I don't know what's going on with there. I've got Surfshark, obviously for VPN. Again, you could have the automatic portal version, as in the sort of pop-up Chrome extension. No, the extension that you have like as a file on your laptop or something. But again, this one's really easy. You just click that and automatically pretty much just click a button and you're connected to England or Lithuania, because obviously I'm in Lithuania, so I've got to jump around those two. Very easy to use, fast and effective. Basically, we're trying to speed everything up and we're trying to maximize everything at the same time. So we want everything to be in a really nice place, and we want to be maximizing what we can in terms of like profits, extra cash on we're leaving off the table. You can kind of see here, we've got BuyBotPro. I also have Keeper down here, and I also use Honey. So of course, Honey's great for discount codes. I can't log in right now, but there's a great £18 off, I believe, on Waitrose. And without Honey, I would never know that. So all I'm doing is clicking that for discount codes. So obviously, where Topcashback, those kind of things don't give discount codes, they actually give you a percentage on your spend or a fixed amount if you spend over a certain amount of money, like we just obviously saw right now in terms of this. But some give you a percentage, some give you an amount. It just varies. But with Honey, of course, they provide you a discount code, so you don't actually know how much it is. It's usually a percentage. So you can go and add that to cart, and with Waitrose right now, there's a £18 discount code that I can use just by clicking it on the website. It actually then shows me the last used code was this 18 minutes ago. So I would click that code, it copies automatically. I paste it into the bit for the discount codes, and I get £18 off. Easy. So basically, it's taking me about 4 seconds to come in here and click it. I'm clicking the code and I'm pasting it. 5-6 seconds, maybe 10 if you're super slow. And that's pretty much it. I've got DSMs in quick view, I've got Keeper and stuff there, but I don't use the extensions for that. You can do if that's something you want to do. Obviously, I use it. That is built into the Amazon page because I'm only going to be using it on the Amazon page 99% of the time. And obviously, I'm going to be probably looking at the product page at the same time. So you don't necessarily need to be jumping to a Chrome extension, but it may be something that you want to use if that is sort of what you are doing in terms of the day-to-day business. So enough from me, a nice, easy and quick video there. I'm trying to smash out some really short form content as well here. Hopefully that gives some people a little bit of a quick little thing that you can do. Takes 3 minutes to do these, to add them to your Chrome extension, and actually it's going to save you a lot of time in the process. Over the years, it could save you hours and hours and hours. Plus, you could be maximizing further and more cashback in terms of Honey or Topcashback, if that is something you want to do. Quidco is there, but it doesn't really integrate quite the same, and maybe that is the wrong extension. It doesn't seem to be popping up like Topcashback, so that is why I'm predominantly using the Topcashback, because it actually prompts me when I enter the website. Enough from me. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you later. Bye.